The last of our lookup type functions is the choose function. Now this is very similar to the index function in that it will return the value at the given location. However, it differs from the index function in that it's not dealing with a range or a group of ranges, it's dealing with individual cells. So if we take our sales 2013 file again as an example, and we can use our choose function, so equals choose, open brackets, and you can see here the index number comes first. Let's choose a number at random, 4. Now the number 4 doesn't refer to the index location of a value in a list, or an area, or in a range, or in an array. It refers to the 4th item that we now supply in a comma separated list. So my first value could be there, comma, second value could be here, comma, third value could be here, comma, fourth value can be here, comma. So you can see the list, the indexes, the range is not consecutive cells. It could be separate cells located anywhere in your sheet or workbook. And each of those values is simply separated by another comma. So I could have that value there, that one there, that one there, that one there, that one there, and they all get added on and added on and added on. Now you can have up to 254 values in your list here, all totally separate cells dotted around the sheet. They can even be ranges, so they don't have to be single cells, they could be groups of ranges. Let's stick with our single cells for now. Now each of these values, I've just closed the brackets, is indexed 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And I'm asking to see the 4th, so we should be given the value that is currently in J11, which is 135. So when I press return, we see 135. So the function works. And obviously it differs from the index function in that you give all the separate cell values. Now how this could be quite useful is if we use it inside another function, inside a sum one, for example. So if I were to start a sum function, and then within there say, okay, I'd like to sum the range that begins in B2, but finishes at a chosen reference point, so I could actually replace the second half of my range, so the closing cell of my range, with a choose function. Let's choose the 4th again, and then my finishing values are either there, or 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 there. So effectively I'm giving the choice of where the range will end. It will always start in B2 but could end at any of these other cells. So that then closes the choose function, which is embedded in our sum function, so we need to close the sum function. Return, and we get 542 because our range is going from B2 to the 4th element, 1, 2, 3, 4, so that's to E5. So if I highlight B2 to E5, the sum down the status bar at the bottom is 542, which is what gets returned here by the sum function. So that's using the choose function. Pretty much it is the index function, but you can have sets of cells that are located in different locations rather than consecutive array or range.